Citrine. Golden rutilated. Pyrite. What do these stones have in common? Beside their similar gold and yellow colors, they are good for manifesting good luck, joy, wealth, and success into your life. Do you have these crystals on hand? If you do, you can DIY your own wealth manifestation pouch. This is what I did in the beginning of 2022. Citrine is known as a happy stone of the color yellow. It brings bright energy, success and prosperity, attracting wealth, abundance and joy into your life. Citrine is also good for creativity. Pyrite is more of a masculine stone with its color similar to gold. It is associated with wealth and prosperity, which is one of the crystals to have if one wants to attract wealth into their life. Golden rutilated quartz is a very powerful manifestation stone as it acts like a magnet and amplifies and magnifies the energies of any other crystals touching it. That's why it is an essential crystal to add in this wealth pouch. Beside these crystals, one most important item you need for making your wealth pouch: rice. Yes, the most common staple in our kitchen. Rice is often associated with prosperity, luck, fertility, new beginnings, and success. In some cultures, rice is made into protective amulet for one to carry with them to banish bad energies. Rice is not only manifest wealth and prosperity, but it also protect your money flow. Let's start making your DIY wealth pouch. Add some rice on a small Ziploc bag. You can use other nice pouch, small enough to fit in your wallet or your bag. Make sure it can be tightly sealed so the rice won't be leaking out all over your wallet or bags. Next, hold the 3 crystals on your heart and set your intention what you want to manifest. Take your time to do this. Once you set your intention, put them all inside with the rice. Not done yet. As a wealth pouch, I use symbolic representation, which is money. You can use coins or notes. Or you can write your intention on a piece of paper. Whichever works for you. I choose dollar note. Now you have your wealth pouch. Put this in your wallet or your handbag or bag you usually carry. Another thing to note, try to change the rice regularly. Throw away the old ones and add new ones to the pouch. I love to do it monthly or at least every 2 months to give the wealth pouch a more fresh energy. The 3 crystals are available in Spark Crystals Rocks shop. Visit shop to claim the wealth crystal pack. Anyone has any experience with wealth pouch? Comment and share your experiences with others. Do give a thumb up if you like this type of crystals video. Thank you for watching and your support. For more updates on new crystals, subscribe to Spark Crystals Rocks channel now.